Welcome to Financial Freedom FX. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most important skills in Forex trading: how to identify the trend. Whether you're trading EUR/USD, gold, or any currency pair, understanding the trend direction is your first step to profitable trading. Stick with me till the end as we break this down in the simplest and most powerful way. A trend is the general direction in which the market is moving. There are three types of trends. 1. Uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. 2. Downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. 3. Sideways trend, price moves in a range, not making new highs or lows. Imagine you're climbing a staircase. Each step is a higher low. That's how an uptrend looks. A downtrend, on the other hand, looks like descending stairs. Each high and low is lower than the last. Trends can last for minutes, hours, or even months. Understanding the trend gives you context and direction, so you don't trade against the flow. Let's break down the structure of a trend. In an uptrend, you'll see impulse moves that push price higher, followed by pullbacks that form a higher low. In a downtrend, price falls in strong impulses, then bounces up slightly in a retracement, only to drop again. This structure creates a wave pattern, just like the ocean. The key to identifying trend is to spot these waves: impulse, retracement, continuation. Use this as your roadmap. One of the easiest ways to identify the trend is through naked chart analysis. Just open a chart, no indicators, and ask, are the candles making higher highs and higher lows? Uptrend, are they making lower highs and lower lows? Downtrend, or is price stuck in a horizontal zone? Sideways use trend lines to connect the swing highs or swing lows. A well-respected trend line confirms the current market direction. Also, zoom out and check multiple time frames. Sometimes the 15-minute chart shows an uptrend, but the 1-hour chart reveals a larger downtrend. Always align your entry with the dominant, higher time frame trend. Now let's add a tool: moving averages. The most common ones are 50 EMA, short to mid-term trend, 200 EMA, long-term trend. If price is above both the 50 and 200 EMA, you're in a bullish market. If price is below both EMAs, bearish market. You can also observe crossovers. When the 50 EMA crosses above the 200, that's a golden cross, bullish signal. When it crosses below, it's a death cross, bearish signal. MAs help smooth out the noise and give you a clearer view of trend direction, especially in volatile markets. A strong trend will always show consistency in structure. To identify this, check mark. In an uptrend, watch for higher highs, HH, and higher lows, HL. Price breaks previous resistance and pulls back to a new support check mark. In a downtrend, watch for lower lows, LL, and lower highs, LH. Price fails to break above previous high and drops further. This market structure is the foundation of price action. Once this pattern breaks, the trend may be reversing. Another powerful way to identify and follow trends is by using trend lines and price channels. Draw a diagonal line connecting at least 2 higher lows for an uptrend. In a downtrend, connect 2 lower highs. You can also draw a parallel line to form a channel. Price often respects these lines, bouncing between them as the trend develops. Channels give you an idea of momentum and volatility. Now, here's the twist: no trend lasts forever. So how do you spot when a trend is reversing? Watch out for a break in market structure, no new highs-lows. Trendline break, moving average crossover in the opposite direction. Strong reversal candlestick patterns, e.g. engulfing, pin bar. Also, look for volume divergence or RSI divergence. Momentum is weakening while price keeps pushing. To wrap up, first, read the chart with your eyes. Confirm trend with structure and moving averages. Mark trend lines and channels for visual guidance. Stay alert for signs of reversal. Mastering trend identification is the foundation of all trading success. If you learned something new today, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Financial Freedom FX. Comment below if you want me to break down live trend examples in the next video.